A sports club has 80 registered members, out of which 42 play handball, 35 play tennis, and 25 play volleyball. If 15 play handball and tennis, 13 play handball and volleyball, 10 play tennis and volleyball, and 6 play all the three sports. Calculate the number of people who do not play any of the three sports. So, in order to do this, we draw the three circles. Let this one be tennis, and this one handball, V, and this one volleyball. So volleyball is 25, tennis is 35, and handball is 42. So we see that the people that play handball and tennis, 15 in number. The people that play handball and volleyball, 13 in number. The people that play tennis and volleyball, 10 in number. So the people that play all the three sports is 6. So we put it in the universal set. And it is 80 in number, 80 in the sports club. So the people that play neither of these games will be outside here. And number of people that H intersection T intersection V complement. These are the people that do not play any of the games. So if we want to put it in writing, we now say that number of people that are in the sports club, H union T union V, minus people that do not play. Number of people that do not play, H intersection T intersection V complement, is equal to the number of people that play handball plus the number of people that play volleyball plus the number of people that play tennis minus the number of people that play tennis and volleyball, T intersection V, minus the number of people that play handball and volleyball, minus the number of people that play handball and tennis, plus the number of people that play all the three games. So let the number that do not play any of the three games be X. This one, let it be X. So we now have that this one is 80 minus X is equal to number of handball is 42, number of volleyball is 25, number of tennis is 35, number of tennis and volleyball is 10, so minus 10. Number of handball and volleyball is 13. Number of handball and tennis is 15, plus number of all, that is 6. So when you do this, you have 102 for this one minus 38 if you add these ones plus 6. So you now see that minus X is equal to, if you do this, you have 70. This one comes over here 80, which is equal to minus 10. Therefore, X is equal to 10. So 10 people do not play any of the games. Make sure that you don't have any problem here, because The number of people that play handball and tennis includes this, and it is 18. But if you are asked the number of people that play handball and tennis only, then you know you will do 15 minus 6 to get the only. So this 15 is for the whole of here. This 15 is for the whole of here. This 10 is for the whole of here. So the number of people that play tennis and volleyball only will be 4. And the number of people that play handball and volleyball will be 7. This minus this only will be 7. So that's how to do it. Kindly subscribe and click on the notification button so that when we place new videos you see them. Bye.